just pulled this air conditioner out of my neighbor's window. If it'll focus. Yeah, it's the house that's on my previous videos. Yeah. Supposedly it don't work anymore. So it's now mine. So let's test it. What it is. Oh, what's going on? Hold on, I'm gonna try to take this vent off, then we'll see what the problem is. Alright, I'm back. I have to go help them close the window over there. Oh my god, got seized. I hate screws like that. I might need a drill. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Oh. Okay. God, that roller wheel's off balance. That's ridiculous. That's a common thing with these. Yeah. Compressor doesn't want to start. Let's see if I can't stick a screwdriver in there. It's all that junk in there, that's why. Yeah, I got the drill, but I'm trying to look for some bits right now, so I'll be back. Alright, I'm with a bit now, so let's see. How is that even in there? Alright, just got this thing out. Look how moldy that is. Oh my god. That's what they were breathing in? There we go. Oh yeah, look at all that junk. Look at that. Whoa! Woo-wee! That's bad. Turn that off. I'm not breaking a blade. Oh, it kicked on. Woo, man. Oh my god. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous right now. Look at that wobble. Wow, I cannot believe that. That's ridiculous. Yes, this is that one with that creepy little smiley face thing on it. It's still spinning. That's ridiculous. There's just a compressor in it. Yeah, there's that creepy face. Man, I had so much trouble getting this thing out, it wasn't even funny. It was cocked into the window. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Well, I'm gonna probably make a part 2. This thing's so nasty.